Hi, good day. So, welcome to my video again. So, I created this video as continuation of the um, CSV generated volume header in Python, which I wrote in Python. So, let's start. As you can see, I changed my code. So, a little tweak, little update. Then I, and the way I create is to concatenate all the open ISO file input file mode to one line. So for input file, it is input parameter. uh, then and CSV file will be generated CSV. And then text file would be generated text file. So the name of the file name is based on the input parameter. So it dynamically change. Then after that, I declare a line or read lines, CSV reader, CSV writer as input output file, and reader is input file. So CSV reader is the R read file, and CSV writer is output, is the write file. So I trim, that's like similar to the I in the trim method. That's like similar to the previous video that I upload. Then after that, I this is the column header. Then I remove the two access line and the two access line that have a in the in the text file. Then CSV writer. CSV writer write row, so it will be load it will write all the data into the to the new CSV table. So the reason why all this you generate the CSV in base and we load to the SQL Server based on your customized table and field name. So I'll show you the file. This one, the file. You see, I removed this one, the default. So I export the data from the SQL Server, which is a sample data, but I inserted for variable insertions, which you can watch in my previous video, how to use variable in row select statement and insert select statement. So this is output. Then I name the table date, then number of column 2, then the test table test file .csv. Oh, sorry, test data. Sorry, test data. Table name. Okay. Table name. Table date. Okay. Two rows to be created. Test data .csv. Okay. It generate test data. So same output in text file. This is the column, and this the final output. We should go to SQL Server. Oh wait. Oh no, sorry. This data. Sorry, this one. Test date table date. See. You can customize the field name based on your new table name or retain the field name on the SQL Server itself. So, yeah, okay, that's the table the data. Then I will load now. Task, import data, next, web access, create CSV file, preview, it's a preview. Oh, sorry, it will be destination only DB. So copy the instance first. Oh, destination. So this is a text database. Next, preview. Okay, close, connect, then refresh. This is the created table with data. Then select. Voila. This is the finished product. So for this one, I will update my code and tweak. So this will be another table for the continuation list. So as you can see, I demo to you uh, my script how to generate the with column with data with how to make column header with data in the Python 2 SQL Server. Thank you and good day. God bless. If you have any questions, please email me in jpam205 at hotmail.com or jpam205 at gmail.com. Thank you.